grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Hello all the wonderful people out there. Welcome to Jamaican Experience. My name is Yaadie.
And it's Yaadie Chrissy representing Jamaica here in Germany.
Yeah, man.
So guys, today's video we have a mukbang, but a very special mukbang because today we are trying out this Jamaican restaurant that is here in Frankfurt where we are.
Imagine the first one. They are so happy.
Imagine I found out this thing was on our road even. And it's been
not
there
too far away.
Yeah, it's been there since October and we're just finding out about them.
Yeah, so we're really excited.
Yeah guys, we're really excited to try this food. So I have curry goat, my mom has jerk chicken, and we have here fish. What's the fish called? Dorado?
Dorado, baby.
Dorado, something like that.
It's not a Jamaican fish, that's for sure.
It's a sea fish though. She said it's a sea fish.
Okay, then.
Yeah, it's supposed to be similar to snapper. So guys, in Germany we say guten Appetit.
Yes, guten Appetit.
We're so excited to try the food.
Don't even know where to start. Last time we eat Jamaican food, I mean, a restaurant also that was like 7 years ago.
7 years Jamaican food.
I'm not talking you cooking like us, but in general.
True, Jamaican restaurant. Since she left Jamaica, guys, she not eating. For me, it was different because last year we took a trip to Stuttgart, like 3 hours away from here, and I had some Jamaican food there. What did I have? Jerk chicken there. So I will compare now and see.
Yeah, lucky you. Unfortunately, I wasn't in Stuttgart.
But listen, my Jamaican cooking counts, you know. But
Yeah, I did enjoy a patty then. Remember to watch a patty video, guys. Remember?
Okay, we just piece of ginger. Guys, I say I carry, I walk come back home. That's how close them they know. And the whole of the curry gravy just dash out. I tell you.
Yeah.
Lose some of the gravy money.
Yeah, I think you should try. Oh my god.
The curry goat is so good.
Jerk chicken, I can't believe.
No, sir. You know,
I
like.
usually would have jerk pork too, that would be nice.
Okay. And you can taste this at the real curry, not the curry we use. This is the
We
real.
should make curry goat, or where we eat curry goat again.
I made curry goat last Christmas. But because it was the first time that I made curry goat, somehow.
It was good still.
It was okay, but not like the real deal, you know? It was my first time. I mean, it was soft, but somehow maybe some seasoning did missing. Like, I added curry, I added seasoning and everything, but something did just still missing, like, taste-wise.
Oh my god.
Guys, this is the real deal. Mommy, try the thing now? Oh god. No. No, sir. I did expect it to be good, but not this good. I don't know, like, I just never want to get my hopes too up, but this is so good.
Oh man. This is really a treat. A long time we planned this. Because of Corona and places locked up and bad weather, because it's cold out there. We're still looking for summer. I don't know where it's gone. Definitely not in Germany.
Not in Germany. It was just raining outside and everything.
It's cold.
Yeah, so we tried to buy this a few Thursdays ago. It was some holiday. And I remember like I texted her on Instagram, but she didn't say anything. And I was like, okay. And then I looked on the website, you know, and somehow Google, they say like they're open from 3 to 6. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go get Jamaican food. When I went there, guys, the place was closed. I was so sad. I even told her the story today, like, I came, but you weren't here, man. Yeah. So I guess it's not her fault about the whole Google showing wrong stuff, you know? Because it happened to me.
Holidays,
No, that's happened to me before, even with Corona. Like sometimes something is on Google, and then you go to the place and then lock and Google give you wrong information. You have something for your mother.
Thanks.
Yeah, guys. So
how's your baby?
You have to mention that now. The baby, alright, guys. The baby is not there.
She's getting fatter.
No, I'm gonna lose back some weight, mommy.
Oh, really?
We're not even trying the fish yet, no. I'm gonna try your jerk chicken yet.
Doesn't do? Try.
Oh god, I don't even know where to start.
Just take it, please.
Okay, mommy, give me the whole piece. Thank you, respect, sugar. But that board, mommy, give me. Oh god.
Nice, huh?
Oh wow. Mommy, I'm going to move in at that restaurant. I am going to move in.
And we open up our own unique party.
Oh god. Yeah man. Can make a party shop, yes, but this jerk chicken. How much is?
What kind of peeping sound this?
What's up, Jesus? Mommy, what do you think about the jerk chicken?
I think it's really awesome.
And it really tastes authentic, like the real deal.
But because I think you can't just buy everything here, like.
Yeah, but it really tastes like everything. Not missing. Yeah.
Oh my god. So my new video is coming soon too. Probably by next week, I think. Got some days off. To have some more patience. Come in. So guys, I'm going to try fish now.
Yeah, let's try the fish.
You don't get one.
Come on. Let's try before you.
Yo.
Guys, the fish now, it's so huge.
That's our cat. Don't worry. I don't even know what you start. How's that go again? Remember last time I had fish? Ooh.
Let's show them the fish, mom. Let's show them oil.
Yeah, I'm sure it.
Guys, I'm already digging in there. Can you see? It's huge. So I was wishing that they had, they have a little bit. They have the onion, and the pimento, and the carrot, and the pepper probably. But I wish it was more and all over, you know. But maybe some people can't handle it, that's why they serve it like that.
Not so easy.
So guys, I remember the other day I was just thinking about jerk chicken, and I was like, oh man, I wish I could eat some jerk chicken right now. And then the same day I got a follow on Instagram from this restaurant here. So I was like, wow, a Jamaican restaurant in Germany. You know, I couldn't believe it.
And now we even have one in Frankfurt. I hope you guys stay there.
Wait, so then...
Support it. If you live anywhere near Frankfurt, also go support the place.
Yeah, mommy.
What's your name, by the way?
I think it's called Brooklyn's Jamaican Grill. Brooklyn's Jamaican Grill. So let me finish my story, mommy. So, when I saw the follow and I checked the page, it was saying like Jamaican restaurant in Germany, something like so. And then when I look closer, I realized that it's in Frankfurt. Guys, I couldn't believe my eyes. the same day when I say, I wish it was Jamaican, I could have eaten some jerk chicken. Like the same day when I say, I wish I could have eaten jerk chicken, they follow me and I realize that them in Germany and I find out that them in Frankfurt. I say I couldn't believe. And then what even top that, you know, is that. I realize that them just right down the street from me. And since then we keep on and say, you know, like me did want to go eat and try it out. But me never want to do that. Like, me did want to make sure that the first time I eat is on camera. But at one point, I said, no, I can't wait, I'm going to eat it now. So, I said, you know, when you're not in the filming mood, but we did want to do this on camera first.
Yeah, so you're the first one to watch and see.
Yeah, man.
What's worth the wait? Don't.
Mm-hmm. Definitely. I couldn't believe it said it right down the street. Yeah, man. So now we gather the time and the money, the patience. Finally, I filmed this video.
Pepper? Yeah, man.
Okay, mommy, don't try that.
You say we can manage this? It's probably not. Really?
This is good, guys, but it's very spicy and very vinegary. It's a good thing she don't put it all over like me did I say like first part. Come there, some we should have put it everywhere.
We gotta be brave.
Try, but no, the fish in there you see is a different story. But it really have the Jamaican taste, man. But woo, hot. But I guess.
Whoa!
And guys, they made the fish fresh.
You're on fire.
She told me it would take 20 minutes, but you know Jamaican time, it took a bit longer. But in the meantime, I was there talking to a nice Jamaican lady. We exchanged numbers, hey, you know yourself.
And she speak German too?
No, Jamaican lady, she's really cool. We exchanged numbers.
Oh, I can't keep that. Oh. We did. Oh. Whoa.
Now I see why she don't mix the two.
Better.
But it's really, wow, I put your sell out, man. Sell out!
Can recommend that, man, definitely.
Imagine if I drove 3 hours to eat that Jamaican food last year. Imagine 3 hours.
I'll show you how much we miss it.
And then now it's right down the road. The only reason why I wouldn't go after is the money, guys. But
well, you need a train ticket, man, and then food and
train tickets are alright, it's the food. I mean, the food itself is not expensive, you know, guys. It's just.
But they don't have everything.
Yeah, man, I want to eat everything. And from different days, they have different stuff. But guys, I'll give you one tip. Always call before you go there. First.
Yeah. You don't have to wait so long.
Yeah, that too, I guess. But like,
can't recommend that, yo.
Remember, you just something to buy the stew beef, but they never have any stew beef today. So we
And that my dream was stew beef. I don't know why.
Yeah, so we end up getting
never mind the roast bread food. She couldn't ship something down.
Nah, they don't have roast bread for mommy.
Yeah, maybe both. Anybody out there also can send some bread to come. Can you come?
Wow, the food is so good, guys.
Definitely.
There's more.
Getting some banana? Alright. Oops.
Ooh, spicy, but it's good.
I wish kind of spicy. try that again. I mean, you used to like a pepper and so, but that really moves.
But I guess we really like our fish spice in Jamaica if you think about it.
Yeah.
She not joke, she do it just like how it is. I mean, like how she do that then, you know?
It's definitely nice. It just, we're not used to it anymore.
My son, she never put everything. At first, me that's like, where is it?
Oh, it just follow one bone.
Oh God. No, die. So guys, we are gonna take the time and eat after the food off camera, but just know me give them 10 out of 10. As a matter of fact, 20 out of 10. The food is very authentic.
And I really like the fish.
All of the
and
seasoning.
The chicken, and it got really nice. Actually, I like everything. It was really, really nice.
Yeah, like the seasoning, them I'm familiar with. Remember them from back home, it tasty. It's not like when we cook certain food and then.
It's a red label one.
Yeah, sometimes when we cook certain food, it's like you just have to improvise with different seasoning, but this is real seasoning she used, I can tell.
Yeah.
So we have
just
to
want to have a Jamaican restaurant there out of that. Wow.
And we have to try the red label before we go. So we have to try this. Just take a sip. Guys,
I used to love that.
This is my favorite drink of all time.
Sure.
If you want to get me a drink, guys, this one here. Taste it, you know? It's so good, like no red wine can compare to this to me.
I forgot how it is. Yeah, you can buy something down here called sangria. It kind of tastes a little bitish, like it's sweet same way.
Not no better. Nothing can come close, mommy. Mommy said she had dead hungry. She only ate look at things. A few snacks earlier.
Earlier? That was this morning.
So that's why you see she looks so low and sad, guys. Don't mind her.
Me look low and sad.
Usually I look a bit more off the pump. So guys, that was it for today's video. Like I said earlier, we're gonna finish all this off camera. Because I guess it's no fun if you just watch where I eat and make you jealous. So guys, thank you all for watching so much. Please like the video,
share,
subscribe, comment down below. We'll see you next time. Peace.
Bye bye. Peace.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.